Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button board from a Dell Latitude E5540. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide tabs outward to release and remove battery. Now remove bottom keyboard trim screw. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove keyboard trim. Next, remove bottom keyboard screws. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Next, unscrew and remove power button board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.